Beach FM, locals talking to locals.
I've stopped off in Levin again to talk to our Chinese herbalist, which is Nissin Browning, and she's also an acupuncturist. Nissin, today I'd really like to talk to you a little bit more about why would someone come to you and want to have some of your Chinese herbs?
Well, Chinese herbal medicine is specifically for changing your internal chemistry. So the conditions that respond very well to it are all of the women's disorders. So if a woman is having trouble with regular periods, or if she's having pain with her periods, or swings of mood, then Chinese herbs gets inside deeply and changes the metabolism of the body so that you're manufacturing hormones better, you're breaking hormones down better, and you're just going to feel more balance and more equilibrium. A lot of things that respond well to Chinese herbal medicine are things that are based in a person feeling exhausted or run down. Can't just find that old kick in their step again. And that requires a longer period of taking the Chinese herbs, so you might need to take them for 2 months to really get deep down underneath and strengthen you again. Sometimes people have a shocking thing happen in their life. They witness a car accident or in an accident, and they just have trouble relaxing. And they keep flashing into the bad experience. Well, Chinese medicine also can help to calm the spirit, which is, I know, something we don't talk about in Western medicine. But when you're really stressed out at your job and you find yourself sort of thinking in a scattered way and you can't settle down, don't go have a glass of wine. Come see me, and I will give you a Chinese prescription that will help to calm you and give you balance and clarity in your thinking so you can problem solve effectively without getting amped up. That's just a couple of things. I use Chinese herbal medicine for myself whenever I feel a little scratchy throat, or if I feel, my ears are aching, or sometimes I get a headache from a big cold wind if I'm on a hike. And we have herb formulas that clear weather out of your body quickly. So some people call me up and they say, every time it's damp and cold, my knees start aching. Well, there's a whole section of Chinese herbal medicine that's just about the study and the treatment of that old achy bone soreness in the wintertime. And the Chinese had to work very hard in the farming, and they couldn't afford to be sore. Chinese herbal medicine is very, very old. It's older than acupuncture is. I have 350 Chinese herbs in my pharmacy, and I hand make each prescription for each patient. Maybe one patient's digestion's a little weak and they have aching muscles. So that formula would be different than someone who had muscle spasms and cramping and had an excellent digestion. I would make the formulas differently. So my favorite thing to treat is women's disorders. It's magical. People can suffer for years with their menstrual problems, headaches before their period, and they take Chinese herbs and they just say, oh my gosh, I wish I would have known about this years ago, because it saves people from taking hormones that are unnecessary in a young woman's body, and it's really satisfying, and the patients are so happy.
If someone would like to come and try some of these, how do they do that?
They can call me up on 06-367-0903, and we will talk about your condition, and then we'll make a time for you to come into the clinic, and we'll set up an herbal program for you.
But it's not just women, is it?
Oh, no, absolutely not. I treat men's imbalances also, and children. I love to work with children. Children respond very quickly, and I'm skilled enough with making Chinese herbs that I can make them taste pretty good, so even kids will take them.
Next time, we might touch on some of the guys' issues that Chinese herbal medicine can help out. But in the meantime, that was Nissin Browning. You should get in touch with her.
106.3 Beach FM.